Well, spring in the Quad Cities has meant flooding for many. On the Mississippi River, the surge of water will reach its peak today. That is our top story tonight. The Mississippi stands at 20.57 feet right now as it moves closer to cresting later tonight at 20.6 feet. The floods have altered the schedules of some folks with road closures and detours. Local 4's Yukari Nakayama joins us now live in Moline with how it's affecting Sunday plans for a Moline duo. Yukari.
That's right, James. Where I'm at right now is at the submerged parking lot of Milltown Coffee. Right now it's closed due to water rising, and actually a lot of parking lots look like this on River Drive. Today I spoke to a mother-daughter duo who tell me they had to switch up their Sunday plans because they had a feeling they weren't going to get served today. These are heights of waters we have not seen in 5 years. The water has creeped up so much so here at Milltown Coffee that outdoor tables are barely keeping afloat. And this is a sight Jonna Lakander and her daughter were not expecting to see.
I was surprised, yeah. I thought, well, maybe, because I saw they had some sandbags around that side, and I thought, well, maybe it's sandbagged off and still have it open, but, there's too big of a area around here to try to sandbag the whole thing.
That's right. Lakander tells me she is no stranger to floods, but she thinks that this one might stick around for a little bit longer. And actually, it's going to take a couple more weeks for it to recede until water levels are at somewhat normal levels here in the Quad Cities. For now, live in Moline, Yukari Nakayama, Local 4 News.
Yukari, thank you, letting nature take its course.